Hello there, I'm Najihah and this is my thesis title. I've been wondering, can you guys survive blackout for a whole week? My answer is not. When this situation happened, we do realize how dependent we are on electricity nowadays. So where does this electricity came from? In Malaysia, the highest source of electricity is from fossil fuels, where coal is the top one due to abundant supply. Here showing TNB coal-fired power plant, highlighted issues here is about the carbon dioxide gas release. This contributes to the greenhouse gas effect where linked with the global warming issues. In 2018, Malaysia emits more than 200 million tons carbon dioxide with 0.35% share globally. The top contributor is from electricity generation. So based on this, several efforts implemented in reducing carbon dioxide gas release. One of them is by using CCS technology. The common is known as liquid adsorption. This technology uses solvent to scrub carbon dioxide. It has good selectivity, however, consumes high energy for solvent to be regenerated back and easily degrade into environment. Next, we have adsorption process. The main advantage over the liquid adsorption here is the lower energy requirement to be regenerated. It also recyclable. However, having difficulties when dealing with high temperature and pressure. Another two steps is the membrane and cryogenic distillation. Membrane has the lowest efficiency since it only uses membrane layer to let carbon dioxide passes through. Not preferable since this method also has low selectivity of the membrane composite layer. For cryogenic, it also not preferable since running operation using extremely low temperature and high pressure, even though having the highest efficiency. So, among all of these, in basis, liquid adsorption is more preferable since it is the matured in industry nowadays. But we can't deny that solid adsorption also has the spotlight in alternating the cost-effective technologies. Nowadays, natural material has been a future prospect in replacing the conventional solid adsorbent. For example, we have a Kenaf plant. Do you ever wonder what are these plant capabilities? Without knowing, Kenaf usually cultivated for fibers in producing products such as particle board and a green-based food packaging, or the common one to make paper. This fiber can be obtained from bars and core of the Kenaf. Other potential to this Kenaf is mainly the core parts, because it has the porous features characteristic. So based on this factor, it shows potential in alternating the conventional solid adsorbent, since nature material also is less harmful and cheaper. So in Malaysia itself, Kenaf is the fourth industrial crop. It estimated yield 10 tons per hectare dry Kenaf stem with major cultivator in Pahang. In case for fiber and core production, more than 7,000 tons produced in a year with 2 times harvesting season. Since it has this rapid growth, this plant has been the source of fiber-based industry in Malaysia. So as mentioned earlier, liquid adsorption is the matured technology, however facing severe solvent losses. Therefore, advanced solvent can be further studied by blending the amine. How? Meaning we have this two solvent combination. Why? Because this conventional amine has only one straight chain analog compared with the blending amine that have more rigid structure that potentially providing faster kinetic for carbon dioxide gas molecule attachment. So in order to prove the idea, a proper modeling can be implemented by using the adsorption and kinetic equilibrium study here, where mostly to identify the amount of gas molecule that can be attached onto the Kenaf surface. So parameters such as constant temperature, inlet concentration, and the pressures playing parts in observing the speed of the carbon dioxide molecules to be adsorbed with. So the best interaction with suitable parameters will be the factors determining the adsorption performance as a whole. So to conclude, this study believes carbon dioxide gas emission can be reduced by implementing the CCS technology. Significant here is the utilization of the Kenaf core in reducing the agricultural waste. We need to know when demand of Kenaf plant increase, the crop will be actively cultivated. So, carbon dioxide which in turn is readily absorbed by plant. This term called carbon neutral concept surely provide a good synthesis step in reconducting this thesis even further. Thank you for listening.